Hello and welcome everyone. This is Durgesh. Now today in this tutorial, I'm going to cover dictionary in Python. So you all have most welcome to be analyst. So before getting started with dictionary in Python, let me show you a dictionary in our general life, what we use. So if you remember, whatever dictionary you have used as Bhargav or Oxford, every dictionary used to be written in an alphabetical form, right? So it's a start by A. So can anyone tell me like what is the meaning of this A and small a? So basically, it's saying like all the things will be in alphabets. So let's say if the first this word is starting by A, so after that you cannot see directly C. If there is a meaning that there is a spelling that existing like B. I mean to say if there is a meaning A B something, then you cannot start your spelling like A C or anything. So there is a abandon, right? So if you'll see A, B, then A, why is it? Because after B, there is a possible spelling or meaning that can be made by A, B, A. And if there will be any spelling that can start by double A, even that will come instead of this N. Or if there is a spelling that can come like B, C, D, whatever, then that will come. So this is how a dictionary made. But we don't need to understand this, the theorem that how it's working. Just we need to understand one thing. It's very simple. If you will see, the abandon is here, right? And it's verb. And the meaning of this word is leave, right? Stop doing and whatever. So what I mean to say is abandon is a one part and this leave and stop doing is a second part, isn't it? So how this understanding will help us to understand dictionary in Python. So this abandon is a key, means just we are understanding this abandon is a key, and the pair of this key is this leave or this stop, right? And stop. So this is the key and value pair. So this term will help us to understand our dictionary in Python. So mainly dictionary in Python is a built-in data type that we have already covered in our previous class. So how dictionary look like is you will be writing your code in a key and value pair. So firstly, you will be writing key as there was abandon, right? Whatever pronunciation could be different for different person. And the second thing is value. So value was there, leave or stop doing. So the same way we will create our dictionary. So if you want to create your dictionary, what you will do firstly, you will be writing your key. In this case, I'm writing key as apple. Just I'm creating a dictionary, okay? I'm writing like apple, but I'm not following the exact rule what there was. But even how, we don't need to consider that. We are just understanding the key and value pair term. So here I'm writing a key and I'm separating my value by passing colon between those. So I'm passing here this value. So apple, what is apple? An apple is a fruit. Then again a second key, ball. And the meaning is a thing in round size used for playing games. And whatever meaning you can give. So now this is how the structure of dictionary look like. Okay. I hope you have a good command that how a dictionary will look like and how you will make your dictionary, right? Now let's understand the definition of dictionary. So a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pair. What is the meaning of unordered? So unordered is a property of dictionary which says that element, whatever you will pass into your dictionary, they will not follow any specific order. Okay. Now the second property of dictionary comes as mutable. So these terms you have already heard in list, tuple, and set, right? So mutable says that as its name defining mutable means you can modify. So dictionary can be modified. If it will be immutable, then dictionary cannot be modified. But this is mutable. Now key value pairs is the third things that you have already understand. Now let's see how we can create our dictionary. So to create a dictionary, we need to use curly bracket. Okay, to create a dictionary, we will use curly bracket. Can anyone tell me that if I'm creating my dictionary equal to this curly bracket, is it dictionary? Is it? So the answer is no. Why? Let's see. If I run this cell, it will say some other things. If you will check the type of this my dictionary. Now here you are able to see this dictionary, so don't think that this is dictionary. Okay, let's check. Let's check first. So mainly in this complete tutorial, I'll be doing some mistakes for you guys that let's understand, let's recap something because this is a recap video for you. You all know, right? We have already covered dictionary, but this is a recap. So that's why I want to just cover some previous things. So I'll be making some mistakes for you. So make sure you are at the screen, you are watching your recording and you are writing those all key points, what I'm saying here. Okay, so let's start. Now this my dictionary has created. If I will check the type of this dictionary, what it will return? It will return dictionary or what? Can anyone confirm? So yes, if you are thinking it will return dictionary, so you are correct. It will return dictionary. Now, why I told you to that it will not return dictionary or why? So mainly I was trying to let you know the set operation. So let's create some other thing called sets, right? You all have seen set one equal to curly bracket. You all know set also used to create by curly bracket. So if I will run this cell and if I will check the type of sets, set one, so it will not say that this is set, okay? Because this is a dictionary. So if you want to create set, then how you will do? How you will create your set? You will be writing set one, okay, equal to set of set one. Means we are converting this dictionary into a set. Okay. Now if I will check, okay, let's check the type of set. Type of set one. Now it will say this is set. So this block of code is just for understanding the set operation, that how what is the difference between set and dictionary, because set and dictionary both will be created by using curly bracket. Okay. There are several differences, but this is the the main difference between set and dictionary. Okay. Now you have understood that how you can create dictionary. Now let's merge this key value pair concept with this curly bracket to create our real dictionary in Python. So mainly here, if you will notice, I'm writing my dictionary name where so it's for every time whenever you are creating your list, tuple, set, or dictionary, whatever, you will have to define your name. So my dictionary name is my dictionary. You can give anything, like let's say give Bhargav. Okay. Now this Bhargav dictionary will be created. Now what are those value and keys? So yeah, inside this curly bracket, I'm saying this is key separated by column. This is value. You can create your dictionary by using one key and value as well. But you will not be able to create your dictionary only with key. Okay, let me show you. If you are creating your dictionary by passing only key, you are not passing values, you will not be able to create that. So make sure your dictionary is being created by key and value pair. Now let's run this cell. So I created, if you will see your dictionary, it will look like this way. Okay. Instead of this key and value, what you can do is you can pass your name. Anything you can pass. Okay. So now let's understand why this dictionary is helpful for us as compared to other operations. However, all dictionary built-in data type has their own meaning, right? So we cannot say that it's better than that. But yeah, dictionary help us to do something dynamic. It's help us to build a data frame, right? So it's very important for us. Now this Bhargav dictionary is saying that this is the name, and what is this name? Name is Letsbeanalyst, right? How awesome it is that directly anyone can understand this is name and this, right? So this is the best part of this dictionary. Now let's create this dictionary by passing some more key and values. So here we have only one key and one value. I'm creating a dictionary called name. Let's not create name. Let's create data. Okay. So this is my data name dictionary. Now in this, I'm passing a first key called name. And in this name, I'm passing Sanjay as a name. Then second key, how I will pass my second key? I will pass my second key separated by comma. So my first key and first value done. Then I will pass comma. Then my second key and second value. So class is key, Python is value. Then third key and third value. Okay. Now let's run this cell. So as I run, you can see this dictionary got created. Now, if you want to see anything, let's say you want to check your dictionary. So if you want to check, you can directly check your dictionary here. Like just write here, let's take a new code and let's write data. Now see, this dictionary is saying that this is the data dictionary, name is Sanjay, class is Python, and email address of Sanjay is this, right? It's saying beautifully that everything, the whatever story it has. Now, what if someone is saying that, hey, I don't want to see this complete dictionary. In this dictionary or from this dictionary, just tell me the class of Sanjay, in which class Sanjay is. Okay, so let's say you will be passing, like how you will do is, let me erase this. So firstly, remember in our list, how we were indexing, we were passing the list name, then the list symbol, right? Then whatever things you have, you will pass that to access that. Similarly, in dictionary, to access those key, those value of key, what we will do is we will pass key inside this list parenthesis, list square bracket. Okay. So I'm writing here class. If I need class, I'll pass class. And that's it. You don't need to do anything. However, there is an error. Let's make data. So let's run this cell. See, the class is Python. If you are looking for email address, so let's copy email. Let's pass email here and let's check. So the email address is this. It's very simple to access a dictionary element or a key, right? So now anyone can answer, can I access the key by passing value? So let's check. If you will pass value, so what will happen is it will not understand that what key you have passed, because mainly this is the key. This place is for key. Okay. So if I'm passing Sanjay, it's saying that, hey, this key is not existing anywhere. But if you will pass a key called Sanjay, okay, just try. And then if you will run that cell, so it will return the value. Okay. So make sure this place is only for the key, not for values. Well, you have understand so far everything about dictionary that was basic. Now, can we do little more dynamics? Dynamics mean to say is, let's say I'm creating a dictionary for my institute, right? Now, there are several students. Here, only we have name Sanjay, means only one student. Class is Python. However, we have several classes, right? Python, SQL, SQL plus Python, combo SQL Python, right? Complete data analytics, mentorship. There are several programs. So how we can pass those? That if someone is looking for our services, looking for our main, program, then he or she should be able to access those. So how we can do that? So for that, what you can do is you can use list or a multiple list or a dictionary or a multiple dictionary inside a dictionary. I can repeat again. To build a dynamic dictionary, you can use list or multiple list, dictionary or multiple dictionary inside your dictionary. So this is my dynamic dictionary I'm creating here. If you can see this, let me erase all those things. I will write it for you again. So this is my dictionary, how we create, right? So this is the dictionary. Now let's say I'm creating a key. So the key is name. So mainly first thing will comes about student is their name. So this is name students. Now I have multiple students. Let's say I have 10 students, not 10. I have 4 students, just assume. So what I will do, I cannot pass 4 students separated by comma, right? Because if I will do like, let's say Sanjay, if I'm passing here Mohan, if I'm passing here Clovis, and if I'm passing here Arijit. Okay. Let's say, for example, if I'm passing like this. So this is name. These all are student. So as you know, in a dictionary, if I'm passing comma anywhere, it means that it's saying that this is the first key and value pair, and the second key is starting from here. But no, we are not trying to say that. We mean to say is this all should be name for this complete key dictionary name, right? So what we can do is, you all know that whenever you want to add several elements from a several data type or anything, we use list. So let's pass this all element inside a list, this all name into a list. Okay. So this is my list. Now anyone can understand this name is having this all name, right? Now let's pass comma because the second key is going to start. Now I'm writing class. I separated by this. Let's pass this class key into the quotes, separated by colon. Now values. Let's again take a list, add values like Python, SQL, complete, data analytics. Okay. Now let's again add one, mentorship. Okay. So this is the first, like only 2 key value and pair are there. If you want to create more, you can do that. It's not a big deal. Let's create. Let's create here. What we can create is, let's create their age. And like, in a real life, it can be several other things, but just for a, let's create age. Now here in age, let's pass 23, 45, 23, 34. Now pass into the list. Okay, we created our list. Let's run this cell. Now here, if I will look for my dictionary called dynamic name, so see how it will look like. See, it's saying the name has 4 students, class has 4 classes, age has 4 ages, right? Now, if someone want to look for how many students are there or who are those, so let's write dynamic name, list bracket, and inside your this quotes, you can pass the name, like double quotes, single quote, pass name, and run this cell. You will be able to see all those students. Okay, you can understand, you can see all those students here. If you want to look for classes, just look for classes. Okay, that's cool here. Now, one more thing here. Sir, I don't want to look these all things like this. Can we see this all things in a tabular form that anyone can understand? So yes. So hello everyone. I'm introducing a new library called Pandas today. So mainly you will be delve into deep later on, but just for understanding that how you can convert your dictionary into a data frame or in a tabular form. So to use for that, we need to use pandas. So firstly, Panda is a library, and all the library in Python, like some of the library are, already included in your console. So you don't need to download that, but something if it is not, then you need to download. To download any library, we use this exclamation symbol, pip install, and the name of your libraries. So I'll be writing pandas. So if pandas is already available, you don't need to install. However, NumPy and pandas are basic library, which used to be comes from your Anaconda, inside your Anaconda. So I'm not downloading that. I'll be just importing. So as panda is somewhere in my console, so let's import into this sit, this cell in this dictionary document. So I'm importing pandas as his alias you all have seen in SQL classes. So let's write PD. PD is a professionally, it's used to be written by all professionals. That's why we are writing PD as a short. So why pandas as a PD? So whenever I will call my pandas module or library, so on that time we need to write pandas, right? If I'm giving alias, instead of pandas, I can write PD only. That will work properly. Now I have imported, let's create a table equal to PD dot data frame. And inside this data frame, I'll pass my dictionary. So my dictionary is dynamic name, right? Now let's run this cell. Now it's run, right? From in 3.2 seconds. Now if you will check this table, so how it will look like. Wow, awesome. It's really awesome, isn't it? That all the names are in a first column, classes are in second, and the age is third column. So anyone can relate, anyone can tell the story that Sanjay has Python class and his age is 23, or Mohan has SQL class and the age is 45, and whatever, right? So it's awesome. So now you have, till now we have understand how to create dictionary, how to create a normal dictionary, how to create a dynamic dictionary, how to pass list inside your dictionary. Now let's see how we can pass dictionary inside your dictionary. So if you want to revise a few more things, I will share these documents with you. You can go through these all and you can revise. Okay. Okay, super. To access element from dictionary, you have already understand. I have already elaborated. If you want to access any element, you can do that. Now, what I want to teach you is, okay, the last thing, okay, let's understand how we can pass multiple dictionary into you know inside our dictionary. So let me delete few of them. Okay, let me delete, then I'll make. So let's create a dictionary called company. Okay. In this company dictionary, what kind of things will be there? So the first thing, in company, there will be, let's say chairman, right? Chairman. In that chairman person, it could be, it could be some graded. So let's say this chairman is a key, okay? And it could be that in that chairman section, there will be graded chairman, like A grade, B grade, C grade, whatever. I haven't command on that how a chairman used to be chosen, what kind of grading or profile they have, or they used to get that. So let's assume that they have some, five chairman person in a A grade and two chairman person in a C grade. So for that, what I can do is I can say like, let's create another dictionary inside this and pass A grade. Okay. A grade chairman. Okay. Let's pass a colon. So let me just take this out for you for better understanding. So let's assume that in this chairman section, I'm having, you know, 4 grade. So this is my first key. Okay. The second key is B grade chairman. Okay. And C grade chairman. Now just assume that we have 3 graded chairman scales. Okay. These are those. Now let's add there. So in this A grade chairman, we have 4 person. A, B, C, and D. Okay. In this, we are having some more peoples like E, F, G, and H. Okay. And for C grade, let's find that the people are I, J, K, and L. Okay. So this is the dictionary. You didn't think that this is a dictionary, that this is a key, this is the value that we created above, right? In name section, name was, name, and then Sanjay, Clovis, Arijit, whatever were there. So similarly, I have created one another dictionary. Okay. Now, this dictionary is a, let's understand, this dictionary is a value. Okay. And it comes under this chairman keys. So I'll pass this here. Okay. So this is my key. Now let's pass comma. This is the second key is starting. And then let's pass the manager name. Okay. Manager name. In all manager name also, you can pass like several department. So let's create another dictionary. Let's say here, this is my dictionary and I'm creating like for each department. So let's say the first department comes is Ola. Okay. In Ola, let's say there were people like Durgesh, Rahul, Mohan, Vibha. Okay. So let's say these are few person in Ola department. Let's go for another department. So let's say we have, let's say Rapido. Okay. In Rapido, let's say there are people like Munish, Pradeep, Sanjeev, Shivam. Okay. So let's say these are person in that first comma, because if we, okay. So this is the, here one mistake we are doing is, this is my key, this is my value. I'm not separating by comma. So let's pass comma here. Okay. Did I make the same mistake here? So that this is my first key and value comma, then this is my second. Okay, there is problem. Why this is here? It should be here. Again, comma. Okay. Well, superb. Now let's pass another. So let's say the second or like third is Uber. In Uber department, managers are Ritu, Geeta, Dheeraj, and Neeraj. Okay. So we have this all. Let's copy this complete dictionary. Let's pass this inside this manager values. Done. We have created this company. Let's run this cell. Well, it's throwing an error. Probably there is one C grade. So colon is here. Fine. I, J, K, and L. Why is it so? This is in inside blocks. K is inside, J is inside, and I is inside. That's perfect. It's saying expected after dictionary key. Okay, okay, well. It's not in dictionary. It's not in list. My bad. So make sure you are passing inside your list. Okay. These all are fine. Let's create again. Why is it so? Munish. Oh, again, Ritu is left here. So make sure, guys, whenever you are doing some hard coding, right, for a long kind of data, so make sure you are checking the errors. Okay, Munish. This is perfect. In manager, this is my dictionary that I pasted here, right? So this, let's remove this. Okay, let's add here. Okay, let me just copy and cut. Let me check out what's the error. This is the first dictionary, right? Now it should be okay. Let's check. This is in list. This is in list. This is also in list. Now this is my dictionary. Okay, invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Where, man? Oh, yeah, it's true. We have forget comma. Okay, well, so after resolving all the error, finally we have created this dictionary. Let me make this little bit more, clear that it can visible to you. Okay, I hope it's making sense. You all are able to understand this. So let's say this is my, okay. Now it's, I hope it's little bit clear for everyone. Okay, superb. Now see, this is my chairman key. These three are chairman grade, and all chairman mention name are mentioned here, right? These are manager. This is a department, Ola, Rapido, and Uber. Okay. In this department, the managers are Durgesh, Rahul, and whatever. Let's create this and see. I run this cell again. Let's check this company, how it's look like. So it will look like this way, kind of JSON, and it's not visible properly. So let's pass into the data frame, pd dot data frame. Let's pass company. So see how it will look like. Now this is the person, right? Let's store it somewhere. Let's check df.head. See how it will look like. These are the chairman, right? Which grade? This is A grade chairman. This is B grade chairman. This is C grade chairman. The department is Ola. There was chairman? No. Managers? Yes. Who were manager? They were manager. In Rapido? Yes. Who were manager? They were manager. Was there any chairman? No. NaN stands for not a number. Means it's not a valid. There was a missing data. We don't have record for chairman in a Ola department. This is how we made. Now you can see, sir, Uber is not visible. So mainly the head function of Panda, it says that only first 5 records. Okay. If you want all, just say, because we have all, right? So what you can do, there are two options. You can remove this head, or you can pass something like, the 6 or all number of their inside head. Now it's all visible. So this is how we create. So if you have any kind of doubt in dictionary, let me know. We can clear those after this, after watching this recording. If you're having any kind of doubt, we can connect one-to-one. We can resolve your doubt. Don't think about anything. Just say in the group that I have doubt, mention your doubts, or even you can create your all doubt on a documents and share with us. We will try to solve it out. Okay, now let's understand some other things in dictionary. Can we add or modify dictionary? So the answer is yes. You have already seen that dictionary is a mutable. So let's say this is a normal dictionary, right? In this, the name is John and age is 25. Now, if someone want to make changes, let's say, for example, if I want to change, there is name, right? The name is John. I want to change as Durgesh. Let's run this cell. Let's check this dictionary again. Now you can see the John has replaced by Durgesh, right? So this is how you make changes. I hope it's awesome or you got this. If you have any doubt, let us know. Now the second part comes about removing element from the dictionary. Here you seen that was updating element. By mistake, if the name was wrong, so you can make changes. Now, what if I want to remove directly? So for that, you have two options. As you have seen in list, there was a first called pop, right? So mainly in list, what we were doing, whatever things we want to remove, we were passing the index number. There were several things, right? We can remove, we can add pop. So if we want to pop, we were passing values. And if we were removing, then we were passing the index number. Now here in pop, what we can do is just write your dictionary name, then pop is a function, then the key inside your pop. So what you can do is, let me just remove this all for you. Don't need. Let's say this is my dictionary. Now here, I want to remove, let's remove from here the city. So I'll pass city here and run this cell. Okay, what it's saying, the city is not, okay. We created this dictionary. That's why. Let's create this dictionary. Okay. Now, if you will check this, the dictionary will have some name. So we have city in London. Let's remove the city. See, it's saying London, means it has removed. So pop is removing and it's returned as well, that what value we remove. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now, what if I want to look for how many keys are there or what are those? So how we can check that? So see, this is my dictionary that I'm creating again because we removed city. So I'm creating again that same dictionary. Then I'm looking for keys. To check these keys, you will write my dictionary or whatever name of dictionary is dot keys. Keys is a method of this my dictionary. Then I'm printing keys. Okay, so let's see. So the output should be what? The name is key, age is key, and city is key, right? Because you know, this is name, this is value, this June is value, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. So all key will appear, name, age, and city. Okay, name, age, and city. Similarly, if you want to look for values, all the values, June, 25, London will appear. Okay. If you want to, so basically there is a several methods, you know. So we will be going, we will be just taking few of them because the time is limited and we will look for only the best one, whoever will be using most, right? So there are, the next method is called, items. So the items, what it does is it's return the list of all key value pair in the dictionary. So, you know, whatever things is in dictionary, that is kind of item, right? So all the items will be returned. Now the clear is a method to clear your dictionary. If you want to erase everything from your dictionary, you can just call the function clear. It will remove all. You can check the length of dictionary by passing length inside, you know, my dictionary into a list length. You can check the length of this. So yes, guys, we have already completed this dictionary. So in the last, I would like to say that dictionary are versatile, you know, a data structure that allow you to store and retrieve values using unique key. They are useful for representing real world objects such as student record and provide efficient lookup capabilities. What it means is, you have already seen that I shown you there by using pandas library, how the dictionary items were visible, or, you know, it was completely understandable, isn't it? So the first thing is its efficient lookup capabilities. right? We can look anything, whatever we need, we can find out, we can make an operation and do some operation. And the second thing is, in dictionary, you can manage several records like student records, company records, because it was able to convert as a data format, as a tabular format, and that tabular format can be saved as a CSV or anything. So let me show you. Here, leave that. I can do this anywhere, but let me, okay, leave it. Let me do in the bottom section. So see, I'm taking one another cell here. If you remember, we created a dictionary called column company, right? Then we created a data frame called DF. So this is my DF data frame. Now I want to save this. So how we can do that? So you can write like PD dot to CSV. So here you can pass your name, company. So I'm passing this company, right? Let's write company.csv. Okay, pandas has not. Okay, maybe it should be df.kcsv. Yes. Now, if you see, I saved this, this and this dictionary. That company file has been saved here. If I'll open it, see, we are able to see this CSV file, isn't it? Isn't it so good? So this is how it can help us to manage the records. That can be anything: student record, company record, employee record, whatever. You can do those. So yes, guys, we have finished this dictionary. If you have any kind of doubt, we can resolve those in the doubt session class. So make sure you are watching. If you have reached till here, then it means you have watched that all recording. You have noted down your own doubts. If you have. So well, let's see you in another class. Thank you. Have a good day.